Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Friday Night Funkin'. Kinda, but it's going to be a Among Us imposter. So realistically, it's going to be an Among Us imposter in the style of Friday Night Funkin'. All right, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull a line. Whoops, that marker is dry. So I'm going to pull a line over here for the top of the head. Pull across for the top, kind of a flat head here. Pull down. Gonna go over here. Find the side of the visor for the imposter. Curve for the top, down, and then curve over here. You know what's crazy? I don't think I've ever played Friday Night Funkin'. I know a lot about it. I've seen a lot of clips of it, but I don't think I ever played it. It's like really, really, really popular. Curve under here for kind of a reflection. Circle for also part of the reflection. Down over here. This is an upper lip here. Smile. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to actually put a circle here for the microphone. It's going to be singing. It's like karaoke, right? Line, 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 line. Hopefully you guys are doing good, by the way. They're having a really chill time doing this stuff. Line across, cross, across here, and I'm gonna put some teeth down here, some sharp teeth, because we're talking about the imposter here. It's just triangles. Make them different sizes to kind of make them look a little bit more natural. Don't forget, hit the like if you like this kind of stuff. If you like Friday Night Funkin' or you like Among Us, hit that like. Likes, or what do you call it? They engage the channel. They, it's like gasoline to a car, pretty much. The likes on this channel. Out. Get that tongue. Pulling back. Up here. Teeth over here, teeth, teeth, teeth. Down over here. With that lower lip. Gonna go over here and have the hand holding. Here's the thumb. It's kind of like a bean shape. Going over here to the finger. Another finger. Another finger. Alright, it's grabbing that with that ghost hand thing. Down over here, curve for the bottom of the mic, pulling back up. Continuing to pull down. Over here on this side, out. Down, just a bit. Over here drawing the foot. It's got that teddy bear foot, but it's going to be huge. It's going to be a little bit more extreme foot this time. Curve underneath. Down. Again, make a large foot over here, and it's gonna kind of curve back. It's almost like you're manipulating like a block shape. Gonna go over here to the middle section, top, for the backpack right here. Pulling down, and then maybe even catch the back end of the backpack over here. And maybe pull this over here at the top. Kind of throw a little bit of a dark over here in the back, kind of the pit of the mouth. I think it kind of needs it. Then over here as well, kind of on the inside, you're kind of giving that a little bit of a 3D effect. Okay. Let's give this guy a little bit of color. Nothing too wild. I'm gonna try to think of a color that I never use. Maybe like this green right here for the for the imposter. Just giving him that green. I'm using a Prismacolor marker. These markers are awesome. This and the Copic are the best on the market, so go buy those when you can. I have a link in Amazon in the description. So the benefit is they don't smear. See how I'm going across the black lines right here of a different type of marker? They don't smear, where if I was to use a Crayola brand, actually ironically the type that I used for the black marker, if I use that, it would just screw it up. So I decided to, you know, kind of try this out, and it doesn't smear it. I don't know why it doesn't smear it at all. It's just like a higher quality marker, in my opinion. I mean, it could if I really laid it in hardcore, but it really doesn't, just like if you scrape it across. And you can kind of just glob it on here. Same thing with the backpack, the hand. Like so. Gonna go, whew, smells bad. That's the only problem with the markers, they don't smell that great. Gonna go over here with a, is this a blue? It's like a purple. I need like a blue because I want to put like a reflection in there. I'm just gonna use a Crayola blue because it's the only blue I got right now. Gonna go down here. It's kind of screwing it up right there, but I'm gonna try not to touch it. Gonna go back here with a Copic marker, and it's gonna be kind of like a gray one. Ooh, that's super dark. I did not know it was gonna be that dark. Forgive me. Then over here as well, cover most of this with dark. Line over here. Fill it in. Now with a pink right here for the tongue. Really extreme. And that's Friday Night Funkin' an imposter. That's like one way to draw it, right? Like an extreme kind of stylized drawing that Friday Night Funkin' really has. That's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Make this the video you subscribe in. And hit the likes power, like I said, the whole channel. But like I said, when you subscribe, what's going to happen is it's going to let you know what I post. So you're going to be scrolling on your feed, and one of like the 30 videos you see on your page is going to be mine. It's going to be a thumbnail, and it's going to show you what I'm drawing that day. So that's why it's so useful. Absolutely hit the subscribe. There's no downside to it. Only benefit in the future. Thank you so much, and stick around for the announcement. I'm going to talk about where you can see my full courses on drawing. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.